The federal government is proposing that banks and financial institutions report to them on any major transactions that add up to or above $600. But as KX News' Kamini Amino reports, these institutions are fighting back.
Right now, banks only report on suspicious transactions to combat money laundering and criminal activities. Now, the government wants to know more. It says that it will check tax evasion and rake in tax dollars, especially from high-income earners. But the Independent Community Banks Association disagrees and says the government is overreaching.
If you're talking about $600 threshold or even $10,000, most people have during the course of the year $10,000 or more going in and out of their accounts. Even a minimum wage worker depositing their pay and paying their bills would have a flow of more than $10,000 a month coming in and out of their account. So this is not going after millionaires or billionaires. This proposal is snooping on every American's financial accounts.
If adopted as part of the Biden administration's $3.5 trillion budget, financial institutes have to turn over their reports.
The actual flow of money is sent into the IRS, and the IRS can then turn around and subpoena for additional information from your bank, or garnish your bank account, or freeze your bank account, depending on what they're looking at in this flow of financial transactions.
Some banks in North Dakota have begun reaching out to customers to learn more about the proposal and take action. President of the North Dakota Bankers Association, Rick Kleberg, is discouraging panic withdrawals and is instead encouraging customers to reach out to their senators.
Most importantly, they should contact members of Congress. The last thing they should do, they should not look at taking their money out of the bank. At this point, this is not law. We're hoping that it will not become law. And if Congress does pass it, right now it would not begin until 2023. So there's no reason to panic. There's no reason to take your money out of your bank.
For KX News in Minot, I'm Kamini Amano.
If passed, the government says the tax reconciliation measure will rake in millions of dollars in revenue. If you would like to learn more, visit kxnet.com.